Wanna know how to use the Waze app in offline mode? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, using Waze offline does not have a direct settings on its app, but there is a small trick that you can do. Now, first things first is simply sort out the destination you want to go. Now, once the route has been calculated, just simply select Go Now. Now, once I selected Go Now, here you should see your location. Now once that is done, since our driving has already been calculated and you can just simply follow up the route, you can just simply close the Wi-Fi or data connection that you have and it should still work. Now make sure to not fully close Waze, but you can just simply open it up in the background as well, and right here you can see Waze still running. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You need to keep in mind that they won't be showing real-time traffics, accidents or any other reports. So be sure to be cautious with it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.